Hi, so I recorded this video, what's in my makeup bag, and, see, here's my camera connected to my, did I just pull it out? Oops. Here's my camera connected to my, laptop, and it's not really working, so I just exited out of it. Yeah, I'm kind of PO'd because I recorded 2 videos and I was gonna upload them. Whatever. So my hair looks like crap because picture is coming up and I wanted to just test my makeup out. You can't even tell my nails are chipped. Oh yeah, you can. They're chipped, see? You can't even really tell they're chipped, but they are. I can't stop looking at my makeup. I really like it. You can't really tell because I'm on my laptop, but on the camera, you kind of can. And I'm just getting annoyed.